Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today I'm out back and I have finally had a little bit of time to finish gutting this old camper out. I'll give it a quick walkthrough real quick. But yeah, I've pretty well gone through and pulled everything that I thought was relatively useful for what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, now we just need to get it torn down and get everything piled up, burn off. But yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up to watch the destruction, and that way if something goes terribly wrong, at least it'll be caught on video. So yeah, let's get at it. Well, it is rather cold out today, 40-ish degrees, and our tractor's dead, so we're gonna give the old jump pack a good test today, because yeah, I don't have working glow plugs, and I don't have any starting fluid, and we're roughly 50-50 black diesel, so yeah, should be interesting. I'm gonna go right to the starter and a main chassis ground. I'm gonna kick this on, and there we go. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I can get this thing to kick off, because I've got some work to do today. Let's see, all the yeah, all the throttle. Oh, 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 come on, come on. Is it there? That's wide open. Oh, 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 oh. It loves it. Yeah, definitely. That is, that's all the throttle. She's a little cold. Come on. I think we only got like one cylinder hitting. This. Oh, hey, 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 look at it. There we go. Beautiful. you may be wondering why I'm demoing this. And from the inside, it didn't look that bad. It was just dirty. But if you look up in the roof cavity, it was completely gone. Same with the floor. Lots of rot that just isn't salvageable. But I've got some pretty big plans for this trailer once we get it cleared off. It's got I want to say 5K axles under it, if not heavier. I checked at one point in time, but they may be heavier than that. They're 6 lug, and if I remember correctly, they're a 3-inch tube. But yeah, we're gonna keep going and get this cleared off. I'm going to try to keep the slide out components, the main frame, the motor, and all that stuff in good shape, because I may use them for this upcoming project. But yeah, we'll see. And by upcoming, it's probably gonna be a year maybe before I get time to mess with it. But I just need to get this cleaned up, get it out of the backyard, and get the trailer pulled around front and stashed out of the way. So yeah, we're gonna keep going, keep knocking this stuff out, and keep piling up all the wood and flammables, and we'll light it all off here in a little while. But yeah, let's keep going. And here's the aftermath of our trailer demolition. So yeah, as you can see, I still need to get the wood decking off and some miscellaneous things, but it's not a huge deal. I'm going to do that soon enough. I mainly wanted to get rid of the camper bits because it wasn't very attractive and it was taking up a lot of space. Now, once the weather dries up, I'm going to get the trailer backed in over there and let it sit until I have time to do the project that I have planned with it. Maybe wondering what that is. So sometimes driving the hauler can be a bit of a pain. And I've always liked the idea of, I've needed a car trailer for quite some time. And after a bit of reading, I've decided that I'm going to turn this trailer into a crawler hauler of sorts. So on the back, we will have 14, 18, maybe 20-ish feet of space to pull the Jeep up on, or whatever else we may want to bring home. And on the front side, we're gonna have 8 to 10 feet, maybe a little bit more, of simple living quarters. So a couple bunks. We've got that 12-volt fridge cooler, freezer deal that we can take with us, with a portable stove. We're gonna have propane on it, a couple batteries, a couple solar panels. Nothing extravagant, but enough to sleep in comfortably while we're out. And yeah, this way I can hook this up to the truck and drag it around when I want to, instead of driving the bus. And I mean, if I like this more, we may put the bus up for sale. If not, I'll just keep them both. It's not like they're eating anything. But yeah, I'm planning on getting rid of this stuff here, the slide out stuff. If I could incorporate it into the build, I will, but I don't think I can. I'm not really sure what I would use it for. But the back side will be open. It will have a cover on the top, so we'll have a place to set a couple chairs up here, be out of the rain. And yeah, I've got everything sitting here to build this too. That's why I'm doing it. The trailer, I scavenged for parts for the bus, and everything else is scrap. It's got a pair of 5,200 pound axles with brakes underneath it. So if we build the living quarters light, we'll have plenty of headroom to fit an SUV or a truck. As long as we don't go super heavy with it, we'll be fine on the trailer weight rating. I'm gonna go through the axles, make sure brakes are good and all that stuff, rewire everything. But yeah, I think it'll be a fun little project, and I think it'll work out really well. But anywho, I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Got any comments, questions, complaints, suggestions for the project? Drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us out quite a bit. It doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.